Direct memory access. Direct memory access is the method of transferring the data from IO devices to the processor. It uses the DMA controller which controls these activities. What is DMA? Direct memory access is the fastest way for transferring the data from storage devices to the processor. It acts as a processor, how the processor handle the instruction execution for devices. Then it's for saving the timing of the processor. It get the request from the IO devices, and this request sent to the processor. If processor is free, then processor provide the buses, data buses, control buses, and address buses to the DMA controller. A DMA controller manages the transferring of the data from IO devices to the RAM. There is no role of data is transferring. This technique is known as direct memory access. In the direct memory access, the work this diagram shows the working of direct memory access. Here the CPU. If any external devices wanted to share the data from its end to the processor, then it requests to the modulo IO moduli. Every IO devices has its related module IO module. In this IO module send the request to the DMA controller. DMA controller then these requests to the CPU and also maintain the all queues for the request. CPU, if CPU is busy for doing another work, and when the CPU is free, then it grant the request from the DMA and also provide the buses for data transfer and address control transfer, and provide the direct interaction to the DMA controller to the RAM. The dotted line shows that DMA controls the data transfer from IO devices to the RAM. Here the CPU is disconnected. This is the working of the DMA. As the working concern, first the IO module send the DMA request. DMA request then process and make the insert in the queues. DMA controller send the bus request to the processor. Bus CPU, if CPU is idle state, then processor send the bus grant request. Also send the buses control to the controller. It also provide the read write operation address for the data and address buses, and RAM intervention to the DMA controller. DMA controller when finds the DMA request, then it take the data from the IO device and write into the uh, data bus, and also it address in the address bus. If the address and data is need to fetch from the memory, then it reverse operation from data and address are read from the data and address bus. So these two operations are vice versa. When we want to write any data in the RAM, then write operation perform. When we want to data read from the RAM, then we read from the addresses. Addresses are the medium where the data and address are transferred. After the complete transfer of the data, the DMA controller sends the DMA completion of the request, and IO devices then acknowledge the request. This process is continue till the whole instruction, whole program or whole data are transferred from the RAM. This is the whole working of a DMA.